In this video, you'll learn how to set up a work profile on your Google Pixel phone. This process allows you to separate your personal and work data effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional work profile on your device. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel phone and locating the Settings app. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, scroll down until you see the option labeled Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. Tap on this option to proceed. Next, look for the option to add a work profile. This feature is designed to create a distinct separation between your personal and work data. Once you find it, tap on the work profile option to initiate the setup process. Before continuing, ensure that you have your workout details ready, as they will be necessary for the next steps. After tapping on the work profile option, follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your work email account. Depending on your organization's security policies, you may encounter additional verification steps. Be prepared to provide any necessary information, accept the permissions required for the work profile, as this will enable the creation of a separate environment for your work-related apps. Wait for the setup process to complete fully. This waiting period is crucial to ensure that everything is configured correctly. Once the setup is done, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your work profile has been established. This separate profile will allow you to manage work applications effectively without interfering with your personal data. After completing the setup, you can access your work apps from the Work tab in the app drawer. To maintain control, you can turn the work profile on or off at any time. Additionally, you can manage notifications and app permissions separately, which is essential for maintaining privacy between your personal and work data. Explore the settings to customize your work profile experience further. Your work profile is now ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.